Hello there. Are you looking for something special today?
Hi! Yes, I'm looking for a new acoustic guitar.
Great choice. Do you prefer something for beginners or more professional use?
I've been playing for years, so maybe something mid-range.
I recommend this model. It has a warm tone and smooth strings.
It looks nice. Can I try it out for a minute?
Absolutely. Please go ahead. The sound quality might surprise you.
Wow, it feels perfect. I think I'll take this one.
Hi, can you help me find body lotion?
Of course. Do you want something for dry skin?
Yes, my skin gets really dry in winter.
I recommend this one. It's very moisturizing.
Does it have a strong smell?
No, it has a light, fresh scent.
That sounds good. Is it safe for sensitive skin?
Yes, many people with sensitive skin use it.
Great. How much is it?
It's $12 for this bottle.
Okay, I'll take one.
Perfect. I'll ring it up for you. Hi, can you help me find a hoodie?
Sure. Do you want a zip-up or a pullover hoodie?
I think I like a pullover hoodie.
What size do you wear?
I usually wear size large.
Great! We have this gray hoodie in large.
Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is right over there.
Thanks. It feels really comfortable.
It looks good on you.
How much is it?
It's $35 today, and it's on sale.
Hey, how you doing? These flowers look real nice.
I'm good, thanks. What kind of flowers you looking for today?
I was thinking something bright, maybe for my mom.
Oh, that's sweet. How about these yellow roses? They always make people smile.
Yeah, those look good. How much are they?
$15 for a bunch. Want to take one?
Sure, I'll take it. Do you got something to wrap it up nice?
Of course. I wrap it with a ribbon, no extra charge.
Perfect. She's gonna love it.
I'm glad to hear that. Anything else you need?
Nah, that's it. Thanks a lot. You made it easy.
Jake, what should I buy for Emma's birthday?
How about a giant teddy bear?
That's cute, but it might not fit in her room.
True. Then maybe a small teddy with a big attitude.
Do you think she'd like a book?
Only if it comes with chocolate. Books and snacks equals perfect combo.
You just want the chocolate.
Busted. But seriously, how about a music box?
That's sweet. Okay, let's find one that plays her favorite song.
And if we can't find it, we sing it ourselves. Terribly.
Hi, Tom. Fancy seeing you here. Shopping for the weekend?
Hey, Mia. Yes, just getting some fruits and snacks. Everything's so expensive today.
I know, right? The price of apples went up again.
Yeah, I might buy bananas instead. They're cheaper and still good.
Good idea. I'm looking for pasta and some fresh vegetables.
Try aisle 5. They usually have the best ones there.
Thanks, Tom. Do you cook often?
Sometimes, when I'm not too lazy.
Same here. Maybe we both need cooking lessons.
Agreed. But for now, let's just survive grocery shopping.
Good evening. What time does the new action movie start?
Good evening. It starts at 7:30 p.m. and again at 9:45 p.m.
Great. I'll take one ticket for the 7:30 show, please.
Sure. Would you like a seat in the middle or near the back?
In the middle, please.
All right, that will be $10.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy the movie.
Hi, I'm looking for a new perfume. Can you help me?
Of course. Do you prefer something sweet or fresh?
I think I like something fresh.
Great. Please try this one. It has a light citrus scent.
It smells nice. Do you have something a little stronger?
Yes. Here's one with a mix of flowers and vanilla.
Oh, this one is wonderful. How much is it?
It's $45 for the small bottle.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Excellent choice. Let me wrap it up for you.
Hi, do you sell running shoes here?
Yes, we do. What size are you looking for?
I wear a size 10.
Great! We have many in that size. What color do you like?
I like black or blue.
Here are some black ones. Want to try them on?
Yes, they look nice.
How do they feel on your feet?
They feel really comfortable.
Perfect! They'll be great for running.
Hi, can you help me find a good moisturizer? Of course. Do you want it for dry skin or oily skin? My skin is really dry. Then I suggest this hydrating moisturizer. Is it gentle on the skin? Yes, it's very soft and safe for daily use. How much is it? It's $15 for this bottle. That's not bad. Does it have any fragrance? No, it's fragrance-free. Perfect. I'll take one. Great choice. I'll put it in a bag for you.
Hi, do you sell chips here?
Yes, they're in aisle 3 next to the drinks.
Great. Do you also have chocolate bars?
Yep, they're right by the register.
Thanks. I'll grab a few.
Take your time. Let me know if you need anything else.
Do you take card?
Yes, we take both cash and card.
Cool. I'm ready to pay.
All right, that will be $4.75. Thanks.
Hi, I'm looking for a pair of sneakers.
Sure. What size do you wear?
I wear a size 7.
Great, we have many in that size. Do you want a specific color?
Yes, I like white sneakers.
White is very popular. Would you like to try this pair?
Yes, please. They look nice.
How do they feel on your feet?
They feel comfortable. I really like them.
Perfect. Do you want to buy them today?
Yes, I'll take them. How much are they?
They're $60.
Good morning. Do you have garlic today?
Yes, ma'am. We have fresh garlic. How much do you need?
I need half a kilo, please.
Sure. Anything else you want to buy?
Do you have chili? I want to make spicy sambal.
Yes, I have red chili. Do you want 1 kilo?
No, just half a kilo is enough.
Okay. Garlic and chili. Do you need onion too?
Yes, give me 1 kilo of onion.
All right. Here you go. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, can I buy some ice cream?
Of course. What flavor would you like?
Do you have strawberry?
Yes, we do. We also have chocolate and vanilla.
I'll take 1 scoop of strawberry in a cone, please.
Sure. Would you like any toppings?
No, thank you. Just the strawberry.
Okay, that will be $3.
Here's the money.
Thank you. I'll take care of it.
I can't wait to eat it.
Strawberry is a great choice.